Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make liquid paint. It's this liquidy form of paint and it still works. I use it for dyeing wood. As you can see, it's soaked up. I dyed the wood color and painting canvases or cardboard. How you make this, or what you will need, is some glue, regular paint, which I'm just going to show you this one because I do not have it on me right now. Regular paint and some water, lastly, to make it runny. And yeah, and if you don't have colored paint, use food coloring, I guess. So, let's start making it. Okay, you can't really see me. Okay, what you're gonna do is basically take your paint, put in some glue. It matters how much paint you have. I'm taking Crazy Art glue, and I'm basically just gonna put I guess maybe a fourth of the amount you have, I guess. I don't really know. I use this recipe a lot, although I do not have exact measurements because I don't matter. Well, maybe in cooking, but I'm gonna take my glue, basically going to pour it in. Whee! Okay, see you when I'm done with this. Okay, I put in my glue. Now we are going, as you guys can see that drips over here? Yeah, that's the glue. I can't really show you it because I don't want it to get on the camera. And it already synced. Now what you're gonna do is close the lid or use a spoon and mix it up. This will lighten the color a bit, so you might need food coloring. Okay, think it's all mixed. Now what you're going to do, it is already a pretty good paint, but I like liquid paint, okay? I have 2 of these bottles and I want one liquid and one regular. And if you guys can use this recipe, if you don't, if you have the littlest amount of paint, what you can do is actually add glue and just the littlest bit of water just so it still be paint. Mix it together and there you have it, more paint. Just runny paint needs more water and yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill this with water and see you when I'm done with that. Okay guys, so I filled it with the water. Oops, I shaked the camera. When I filled it with water. I got some water up here. And now I'm gonna shake it up. You guys can see that I have some paint here. Shake it up. Okay. Shaked it up. Now here you have it, your liquidy paint. How we're gonna try this, we're going to take this box that I tried it on earlier. I'm basically going to put it inside because I do not have a tray to dye and I do not wanna, well, I guess I can do this. That is some liquid paint right there. No, no, it's going everywhere, guys. This is liquid paint. Test success. Did I get paint on my pants? Yeah, I have white on today. White. It's probably a bad idea for filming this video. But yeah, that's how you make liquid paint. It's a very easy recipe. Yeah. If you need more paint, just add some glue and a little bit of water to make it a little bit more like paint, and there you have it. So that's my recipe on how to make liquid paint and get more paint. And yeah, I think you can buy it in stores, but I don't see it a lot. So yeah, bye. What should I say? Peace.